Yoga benefits. Healthy benefits of yoga. There are many ways to find what types of exercise you want instead of going to the gym all day long. Yoga is a great example too, but it's not for everyone. So here are some benefits about yoga. On we go then. 1. Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Just doing slow movements or certain types of yoga exercise will help you improve your body strength, balance, and also flexibility. 2. Yoga decreases stress. Yoga eases stress and help people to relax. Yoga also decreases cortisol, stress hormone, which for men boosts testosterone. At least you don't have to go to the gym all day. 3. Yoga improves heart health. Yoga improves someone's own heart health and reduces any types of risk from heart disease. How many? I'm not sure. 4. Improves your quality of life. That's right. Yoga improves sleep quality and enhances spiritual well-being. Surprisingly, social functioning reduces symptoms of people who has anxiety and depression and potential with cancer. 5. Help improve breathing. Yes, you heard that correctly. Practicing yoga helps improve breathing. It's improved for people who has lung disease, heart problems, and asthma. 6. Promotes anyone to have healthy eating habits. Mindful eating or intuitive eating is a concept that encourages in the present moment while eating. The whole point of exercising at the gym or yoga is to make you aware to eat healthy. This also causes your stomach to not enjoy the unhealthy foods you eat in general. This goes to show that you don't have to go to the gym every day only. If you do yoga, gym, walking, or anything that is considered active, then do it today, whatever it is.